Hello everyone, I welcome you all in my new project. This is a Sci-Fi Signboard collection. Here you can see in the Substance Painter. This is Sci-Fi Signboard collection. As you can see here, there are 24 total, 24 collection. 24 of them here. As you can see, the combination of text and the background, and I use the kind of a material combining with the metal and the emissive lights, and also the plastic or a hard surface. As you can see, the emissive lights are blinking. So you can see there are various types of the metal part is shining here, and A, B, C, D, these are kind of kind of a zoning number, something, or symbol, and all the signboard are saying, yes, this is future tech, I am the future, welcome. So it's like kind of a signboard that is welcoming you to the future, kind of like a biotech or something. Yes, so it's like hotel, you have a hotel and ITS, it's like and zone A, B, C, D, so you can, if you have a segmentation of any kind of zoning, so you can use it, and welcome, and the cyber city. So all are actually made for Unity and Unreal also. So this is the first part. You are seeing it from the Substance. There are total 24 signboards, totally game ready. You can find. So I use it like a part or props for using in a bigger project like city building, sci-fi city building. So whoever building this kind of city project, this asset might be helpful. This asset can be a helpful part. So keep watching. This is part 1 from the Substance, and I hope you are enjoying. So keep watching. The second part is Unity, and the final part will be from the Unreal. Thank you very much. Hello everyone. You see the signboard project from the Unity HDRP, high definition render pipeline. As you can see, the signboard's assets are working properly. Emissive and other metal, shyness are all working perfectly, as you can see from the view. So you can find here the FBX, the actual FBX, and 24 signboard, you can see. And the next is the you can find here the textures. All the textures are 4K, 4096. You can see here with the combination of mask map and all the required maps, the normal maps and all the things. And you can see the materials are here. So you can see here the materials. The materials are associated materials with one asset, one material. And you can see the emissive part, the shyness part, the multiple objects in one material. And finally, you can see the prefab folder. So 24 signboards you can see here. They are all ready. You can drag and drop them from the asset drawer like this. You can drag and drop according to your needs, this one. So you can see the assets are working properly, and all the assets are, you know, collider attached, mesh collider attached. So if I maximize the view, you can see here it's a full view. You can see the things, that all the shyness and all the parts, all especially the emissive parts are working very properly, and the materials are all set correctly according to the corresponding assets. So this one actually you can use it in a city building, sci-fi city building projects in a Unity. This is totally game ready. You can see, you just import the package to your project and use it. So if you need this, you can contact with me, or you know, you can go to my asset store to purchase this one. This is a, you can say it's a mm, what it's a props asset for you know, city building part. So you can have a commercial zone, you can have a residential zone, you can have the A B C D zoning, and also, you know, divided of the zone 1, zone 2 up to zone D. So yeah, and it's totally game ready. You just need to need this asset to your projects. So whoever need this, you can contact with me, and also you can go to my store to have this one. This is a good match for you know, creating sci-fi assets. So thank you very much. I'll go for the part 3, which is Unreal Engine. Hello everyone. I welcome you all in the Sci-Fi Signboard Unreal Engine project. You can see it from the Unreal Engine 5.3. You can see it working properly. So the content drawer, you can find the FBX file, also the texture file. Here all the textures are 4K, 4096 by 4096, and also you can find the materials, corresponding materials is there. So 24 signboards, 24 materials. As you can see here, they're working perfectly. And also you can find here, the last one is the prefab, like this one. So you can drag and drop like the Unity. You can drag and drop like this any content from the drawer. So like this one, also this one, also this one. As you can see here, you can you know, call them from the drawer. Okay, so they are 24 signboards to 24 and the pivot or center point. You can see they're working so nice and looking so nice. So yeah, so these are completely ready to import in your project. If I go for a maximize view, as you can see here, the emissive, the shyness, metal shyness is working properly. So if I go for the emissive, yes, you can see the maximize view, you can see the it quite nicely So yes, I use a little bit of post processing for the final correction, for the color correction and all that things. So I just use, you can have a touch of the post processing, as you can see. So like the Unity, it's working in the Unreal also quite nice. You can see here, and the texture is looking so good, so proper. So yeah, so if you need this asset, so you just go to the my asset store, and you can contact with me personally for this one. So don't hesitate to contact with me, direct use this asset. And thank you all for watching this workflow. Thank you very much, and keep supporting me, keep supporting my channel and my FB page. Thank you very much.